Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Take advantage of this incomplete residential home sitting on 1 acre of land. This house was recently reduced by Jamaican $4.5 million. The roof is complete, all walls area rendered, and the outside is painted. However, this gives you the opportunity to add your taste to the interior. 2 rooms and a bathroom are completed, which gives you the advantage to move in and make modification at your convenience. House is located in the cool hills of Moneague, in close proximity to the college and the army campsite. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican $35 million or US $227,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching this video.